Well, if you look at all the marketing that Ducati have done in these adverts for the 698, everyone in the background just seems to be young, modern kids. So I guess that's what they're hoping is targeting. They're going to buy these 698 to obviously bring up the coolness of the brand even further.
Hey, two-wheel friend Zach here with RevZilla. Our guest today is the Ducati Hypermotard 698 Mono RVE.
This is the all-new 2024 Ducati Hypermotard 698 Mono.
My name is Toad and welcome to the review of the Ducati Hypermotard 698 Mono.
I had the honor and very pleasure of riding the new Ducati Hypermotard 698.
Well, I know we all live in a world where kids think they're going to get rich overnight playing video games or doing online streaming, etc, etc. But the reality is most of these kids have fuck all money, and how are they going to afford to buy a Hypermotard? If you look at this example here on the left, we've got the PCP. So if someone drops down a £500 deposit, they're looking at taking the rest out on finance, which is say roughly 200 quid. And then there's obviously a payment at the end. But with the higher purchase on the right, the same £500 deposit, you're looking at almost £350 a month as a lump sum. And then the insurance for that same person who's going to be 90, I think I've took a 19-year-old, look at that, nearly £6.5 for a 19-year-old to insure a Hypermotard in the UK. It's crazy. So they just kind of make you think, who is actually buying this 698? So I did a poll across all my social media channels and handles and just got simple voting system, got people to select what age group they're on. And to be fair, a lot of people filled it in. But if you look at the main graphs here, the larger sections on this pie chart show people 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. So basically old people with money. I don't think Ducati care if they get it right or wrong. I think at the moment they're on a wicked roll. The brand is going places. The brand is becoming cool again. Everyone's loving having a Ducati in the garage or being a Ducatista. World Ducati Week is getting bigger and bigger every year. The actual brand is winning in MotoGP and World Superbikes and other motorcycle championships. It's a cool brand. People want to own it. People want to have it. It has a luxury, exotic still feel about it. And doesn't matter what they do with these bikes, no matter what they price them out, they'll always know that someone will be out there buying them. And for most of us, it will be probably a second bike in the garage. Most people have a Pani V4 or a Street Fire, and will have a Hyper 698 in the garage. I have a Hyper 950 and I've got a 698. Similar type of bikes, but they're both different and they're both unique and brilliant in their own way. So I think Ducati have got it right with this. A touch expensive, but I think they've got it spot on. So get out there and get one.